In this video, we're gonna talk about time records. I will show you how to add an entry and modify an entry in time clock management. First, tap on the Home button and under Management, select Time Records. Now, tap Search Range and the system will then show all the employees clocked in for the day. If you want to search for a specific employee, just select from the drop-down on Employee Filter and select the name of the employee. In this example, we will use John P. And again, tap Search Range to show all details under John B on a specified date range. To add an entry, simply tap New Entry for User. A new row will be added below. To modify the new row, just tap it and select Modify Entry. In this example, we are adding an entry on June 19th and we're going to change the clock-in time to 8:15 a.m. So once that's already changed, just click on Done. The clock-out date, of course, always follows the clock-in date. In this example, we will set June 19th for a clock-out date and say 5 p.m. for the clock-out time. Once done, just hit on Save to save the changes. A notification would show for adjusted time entry, just click on Close. You will notice that the new entry just added disappeared on the current view. The reason is that it's not part of the current date range. So what you need to do is to change the date range to start on June 19th and then select Search Range again. Now you may ask that there's a null under the job. Null indicates that the details were added manually and modified by a manager. The detail view will show you the employee name, the clock in date and time, the clock out date and time, lunch in, lunch out, job, your total hours, and overtime. The Report button will show you the summary of hours of an employee on a specified date range. Please note that hours are displayed in the order of hours, minutes, and seconds. If you want to email the report, just hit on the email button, and if you want to print it out, just select the Print button. It's always a good practice that every time you add and modify an entry is to mark it as complete. Just select the row again and then tap Mark as Complete. It will give you a visual identification that details have been previously corrected. And lastly, for any reason that you may need to remove or delete an entry, what you need to do is to look for that entry, then modify entry again. This time, what you need to select is Clear All Entries and then Save. Thank you, and we'll see you again on our next video.